Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add files and documents to Adobe Acrobat. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Adobe Acrobat, then you have to click on the files option, and you can see that you can add files from your device, or from document cloud, Google Drive. Okay, you have to add your account. After that, OneDrive, Dropbox, yes, PDFs from emails. You have to add your account here as well, and you can browse more files from your device, from your phone. So this is the places where you can get files and import to Adobe Acrobat, where you can edit them. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.